Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks for tax reports easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the QuickBooks login URL. Press enter to navigate to the QuickBooks login page. Once the page loads, look for the sign in section. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Sign In button. Wait for the dashboard to load, which may take a few moments. Once you are on the dashboard, locate the Reports section in the menu. Click on Reports to expand this option. In the Reports section, you will find various categories of reports. Select the type of tax report you need from the available options. After selecting your desired report, review the available filters and customization options. Adjust any filters as necessary to get the correct data for your tax report. Once you have made your selections, click the Run Report button. Wait for the report to generate and display on your screen. Review the report for accuracy and completeness. You can download the report by clicking the Export button if needed. Choose your preferred format, such as PDF or Excel. Finally, log out once you are finished by clicking on your profile icon and selecting Log Out. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.